American Airlines flight on its way to one of our many destinations across the globe. Made possible by our dedicated team members who all do it for one reason: you. That's why your safety and well-being are so important to us. Let's go through some in-flight instructions so we can get you safely on your way. First, make sure your seat is upright, all larger electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. Seat back device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all the way under the seat in front of you. Larger carry-on luggage goes in the overhead bin. If you have small handheld devices, such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches, please switch them to airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member for assistance. If you are seated at an over-wing exit, your window shade must remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. All flights are non-smoking, including e-cigarettes, vape devices, and smokeless tobacco. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. Doing so may result in a fine. For safety reasons, e-cigarettes and vape devices may not be plugged into any power source while on board the airplane. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. But of course, don't hesitate to ask our crew members questions. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. Take a moment to locate the nearest one, and keep in mind, it may be behind you. All door exits have evacuation slides to use in the unlikely event of an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, life rafts are located in marked ceiling compartments. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs and lights. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. You should always put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Life vests are located under, next to, or between your seat. For help locating them, see your safety card. To remove the vest, pull the tab or compartment handle to break the seal. If equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out as shown on the safety card and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and pull tight. Once outside, pull the tab to inflate your vest or blow into the red tube. In the water, a light on your vest will automatically illuminate. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a crew member. See your safety card for more details on how to use it. We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Individual reading light controls are at each seat. It's our honor to care for you on your journey. If you have any questions, please refer to your safety card or ask any of the crew members as they do their final cabin check. And as always, let us know if there's anything we can do to make your time with us more enjoyable.
Oh, we're doing one at a time this time. Not double. Same time. Instead, this one went first now. I don't know. see where it's going. That's that one up there. This one. I don't know why. This one right here though. There's one right behind us on our tail. Look. There's crossing. This one just went to front of us. Planes have the right of way. How it works.
Why is there cars there?
Like I said, they stopped.
Why is it there?
Oh, you mean that one again? I think we're going that way. There's the other one behind us. This one right here. bridge. There's the bridge. Now, cross country. Oh, there we are.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff.
It's a dash 10. So
While you are seated, please keep your seatbelt fastened and visible to the crew, even when the seatbelt sign is off, as turbulence can happen unexpectedly. You may move around the cabin while the seatbelt sign is off. However, we kindly request that you avoid gathering around the galleys or lavatories. If you open an overhead compartment, use caution, as carry-on items may have shifted during takeoff. This year, we're proud to celebrate 100 years of flying, a milestone that reflects a century of connecting our customers to the people, places, and moments that matter most. Thank you for being an important part of our history and allowing American to be a part of your journey. A special welcome to Advantage members, One World frequent flyers, and our partner airline guests. If you're not an Advantage member, you can join for free in flight and earn miles for today's trip. Plus, Advantage members have access to free high-speed Wi-Fi, sponsored by AT&T. Connect to the aainflight.com signal and log into your Advantage account to browse, email, text, and stream. For flight connections and travel info, visit aa.com or the American app at any time. You can also turn everyday purchases into Advantage miles with the Citi Advantage Platinum Select World Elite MasterCard.